Good morning, my name is Angela and I will talk about the advantage and disadvantage of online learning. First of all, I give a definition, then I will explain the advantage and disadvantage, and finally I show some statistics. Definition. The European Commission defines online learning or e-learning is the same as the use of the new multimedia technologies and the internet to improve the quality of learning by facilitating access to resources and services as well as exchange and distance collaboration. That involve as a businesses and school, college and university have become aware. Online learning has evolved beyond the distance learning. The ability to the learners to extend the communication and access resources outside of a study environment or work environment allows them to supplement with the other activities. The next point is advantage. The first, extendability, accessibility, and suitability. The students doesn't depend on hours and they have flexibility to study without need to move. So they combining the studies is providing with working work and personal life, collaborative work. The multiple digital tools available make possible a fruitful exchange of knowledge between the students and teachers. The next is discipline and organization. Online learning requires you organize your time and follow a discipline. The individualization, the teacher can control the learning process of each student because they detect the particular needs, and economic because the online learning allows saving a significant cost. The next point is disadvantage. Study alone. The educational process is carried out in solitude. Who will play great loneliness discover that students who need to support and control in the study. Lack of interactions. Not having physical contact can be a negative point with some people. The next is tech insight. It is essential that the students have a minimal use of computer and internet. The quality means it can happen that not all organizations that have good technological tools to give you online learning and high performance. Everything is done through the network requires control the progress students, so they have to make a major effort. Statistics. The first is 77% American corporations use online learning. The 51% of companies that at least deliver one training session via e-learning, and the 80% of employers that use learning course. In this picture, the most important percent is 70% of the global learning industry is made up of the USA and Europe, and the 50% more productive can be achieved with the help of e-learning. And in this picture, you can see an example for e-learning platform. To conclude this presentation, in my opinion, it's better have a presential lesson than online learning. You can see the bibliography of pictures.